person ko ba is a work?
Close your eyes.
Bakit?
I will show them. Ay, nahulog.
Okay.
It was removed, Mom.
Because you're so kulit.
Okay, work. Is it a girl? Kailangan ba ng gender?
No.
Hindi. So, etong work na ba to, common job siya?
Yes.
So, is it like a medical profession?
No.
No. Artistic ba siya?
Yes.
Parang musician?
No.
Painter?
No.
So, hindi siya artistic? More on academics ba siya?
No.
Ha?
No.
Hindi siya artistic, hindi siya academic. So, hindi siya teacher, hindi siya, shucks. IT? I'm just guessing na lang. Accountant? Easy, dapat mas madali. Mas
You're
madali
out
to.
of time.
Oh my gosh, it's so hard!
Artistic eh. Hindi siya rate
I need
artistic
to put
agad.
the timer back.
Okay, it's Kitty's turn.
Kitty's turn, sige.
Okay, wait. Okay, 1, 2. You ask Daddy and Mommy questions.
Okay, go.
It is having a beard.
Yes!
Yes! Yes, it
Yes.
has a beard.
It has.
Oh, what is your person?
Can you guess, sino ba yung mga people na may beard?
This is a daddy.
Close to daddy but not quite. Not super same with daddy. Ano pa ba ang similar to daddies but not daddies?
Daddy's not the same as this.
Yeah, not the same.
Oh, dali.
Oh no, running.
It's okay, you can
It's
try.
Older than Daddy.
Yeah, what is older than daddy?
This one is a fixer. It can fix. Oh no! I'm running out of time.
Palitan mo na lang yung sa'yo. Pero yung kay Kitty...
Yours is Grandpa.
Almost.
Almost.
Grandpa. It's running out.
So, ito yung kay Daddy Christian.
Artistic profession.
Yes.
Painter.
No.
Artistic. Using artistic sculptures.
No.
As in paint.
No.
Architecture, gano'n.
No.
For medical.
No. Artistic na. Nandun ka na. Simnida ka
For
na doon.
food, gano'n.
Pwede.
Malaki bayad.
Depends.
Ba naman masagot yan? Yes or no lang?
Depende kung
Yes
established
or
ka
no.
na. Siyempre, pag starting ka, hindi
You
ka...
can only answer yes or no. Walang mga maybe. Kaya nga kanina, yes? Ito naman, parang di marunong mag-Pinoy henyo.
Depends, guys! Sige, change question.
Yes or no
change
lang.
question!
Pang babae lang yung
Hindi.
Oh, so gender neutral.
Yes.
Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down.
Pang night shift?
Hindi.
Calm down.
Pwede.
Hindi ko alam.
Malapit ka na, you're so close sa artistic
Musician.
field. Photographer.
Mahirap.
Kaya mahirap sabihin yung sa rate. Iba-iba kasi rate ng photographers. When you're starting, mababa syempre.
Pero bawal ka yes or no lang. Chin, ano ba yan?
Oo nga, pero how will you answer? Sige.
Sige. Ako, tanongin mo kunwari. Ikaw, sige. Question.
Alam ko na eh.
Hindi, kunwari.
Pero,
I will show you how to play the
yung
game.
sa rate kasi.
Tanongin mo. Tanongin mo sa akin.
No. You can.
Dali. Tanongin mo.
Alam ko na eh.
Hindi,
Wala
kunwari
na.
lang. Kunwari lang. Sabihin mo lang. Tanongin mo yung question ko kanina.
Malaki ba ang sahod ng photographer?
Ganito sagot to? Yes.
Depende.
Bawal kang magsabi na yes or no lang nga. Sa Itbulaga ka, wala ka na.
Bakit meron namang pwede sa Itbulaga ah?
Nakalagay sa rules.
Hindi. Pwede?
Oo.
Andun ako sa pwede.
Pwede, depende sa ano ka na, rates mo.
Crew na nga yun, ayaw mo pa.
Bawal ganun. Ayoko na. Hirap ka laro ng Pinoy henyo nito.
Oh. Hello! Welcome to another episode of Ching Chan Check. So today, ang ilalaruin natin ay
Grannies!
Windy Knickers.
Ang goal of the game is maisabit mo lahat yung...
Mga damit mo.
Oo.
Kasi per player may 4
And
na.
apparently may bra ako.
May dice nga rin pala.
Ikaw muna, Kitty. Wow, may pag-blow ka pa ng dice, ha?
Wow! Son!
You put...
So kapag sun, pwede ka magsampay ng mga undergarments. So yung goal ng game is kailangan makasampay ka.
Kapag kasi sunny, pwede ka magsampay. Kapag windy, bawal. Pag umulan, tatanggal ka ng sampay. Tapos pag tornado, ipipress mo yung tornado.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay,
sunny!
Yeah!
Mommy's turn.
I'm gonna
Uy! Oh, tornado na. Okay, save,
Keep his
save,
turn, keep
save.
his turn. Oh.
Okay.
Yay! I'm gonna win!
Wait, no, you
sampay,
put
sampay.
a new one.
But I can,
Pwede ko naman
Hindi daw niya
magkasabi.
hindi daw niya
happy friends,
abo.
happy whole moon.
Happy fans. Happy honeymoon pa nga.
Oh no, I pressed tornado.
Oh no!
No.
Whew. Oh no!
Oh,
Ate.
no.
Oh.
Keep his turn.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Sun.
Sun.
It's a good roll.
It's a good roll. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Why are they all there in one
Okay lang,
side?
para maganda sa video.
Because
Dadaya
I
pa,
won.
dadaya pa.
Okay.
Ay, hindi kaya dapat nga
I'm
pala.
gonna win.
And
I'm
it
winning.
was-
I'm winning.
You are. Oh,
Oh,
sunny. I get
nice.
put another
Uy, wala
one.
pa ako nasasam.
I'm
Get
winning.
good.
I'm winning.
Oh,
Oh, ayan
yes!
na.
I'm gonna put a bra.
Only one more and Kitty wins.
Ala.
Oh, you roll your turn na.
Roll.
If you roll a sun, you're gonna
You're
win.
na.
Uh,
Ah!
Daya.
It's okay, ate. It's okay. Bilangan na tayo ng score after ng tornado. So, sino pinakamarami?
Daddy and
Ay,
Kitty.
tayo si Daddy.
Yay! Kitty and Daddy win!
Yay! So, if magpupush ka lang ng brick,
Yes.
tapos kailangan, bawal ka ma-fall. Are you Team Mom Chin or Team Daddy Chan?
I'm the team with you.
Pwede touch move.
Hindi, hindi wala nang touch.
Bawal sa taas.
Bawal sa taas naman, kadaya naman.
No. You're gonna make it.
Ooh.
Hindi nakita ni Mami Chin to. Ay, hindi, malalaglag to.
Mommy, go. I'm cheering for you. Come on. Go, mommy. Go.
Malalaglag na lahat, love.
Go,
That only
mommy. Go,
means-
mommy.
Obo, obo.
Go, mommy. Go, daddy.
And I'm falling.
No, don't.
Uy, lahat malalaglag na, love. Hindi ba talaga pwede itong taas?
Hindi nga, madaya.
Love,
Oh,
malalaglag
sige,
na
sige,
lahat.
sa taas, sige. Quiet, Kitty, quiet.